As Mohan Bhagwat has said in Nagpur on the US tariff imposed on India that people in the world are afraid what will happen to me if this grows, so impose a tariff. RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat has made the statement that has come on the tariff imposed on India by America, and he said that this tariff has been imposed due to fear. During a program in Nagpur, Mohan Bhagwat said that people in the world are afraid. And that is why they have imposed this tariff. If India grows, then where will our place be is the insecurity. Hence, the US has decided to impose tariff on India. Now, they keep on saying that we have not done anything. We are appeasing the ones who did it. If he stays with us, then there will be pressure on India. You are across the 7 seas. We are here. There is no relation, but we are afraid.
दुनिया में लोगों को डर लगता है, ये बड़ा होगा तो मेरा क्या होगा, भारत बड़ा होगा तो हमारा स्थान कहाँ रहेगा, इसलिए लागू करो टैरिफ। हमने तो कुछ किया नहीं भाई, जिसने किया था उसको पुचकार रहे, क्योंकि ये साथ रहेगा तो भारत पर थोड़ा दबाव बना सकते हैं। ये क्यों है? 7 समंदर पार आप लोग हैं, हम यहां पर है, कोई संबंध तो आता नहीं, लेकिन डर लगता है। मैं मेरा के चक्कर में ये सारी बातें होती है। जब ये समझ में आता है कि मैं मेरा यानी हम हमारा है, तो ये सारी समस्याएं समाप्त हो जाती है। विश्व को आज सॉल्यूशन चाहिए। उन्होंने अपनी अधूरी दृष्टि के आधार पर बहुत प्रयास किए, हल निकालने का प्रयास किया, नहीं मिला, क्योंकि मिलना संभव नहीं।
And I cut across to my colleague Ritvik Bhalekar for how you read into this statement, Ritvik. Certainly a strong remark coming in from the RSS chief.
Absolutely. Mohan Bhagwat has once again reiterated his stand, and he is saying that we need to stand united as a country, and it really doesn't affect us. We have to make way to the world, and people in India are also happy even in scarcity. Scarcity is there is sorrow, there is pain, but yes, we have nothing to lose. At the same time, Mohan Bhagwat has once again reiterated his stand, what he said earlier.